Have you ever wondered what happens 6 days after ovulation? The answer may change everything for those trying to conceive. At 6 days post-ovulation, or 6-TPO, the implantation window officially begins. It's a crucial time filled with hope and anticipation. By now, the fertilized egg has transformed into a blastocyst. It's ready to burrow into the uterine wall, marking an exciting potential early pregnancy. But not everyone will experience noticeable symptoms. Many successful pregnancies occur without any signs at this stage. So what should you look for? At 6-TPO, the body is influenced by progesterone, leading to symptoms that can resemble premenstrual syndrome. However, some sensations may differ due to implantation. Let's explore the common signs you might encounter. First, some women report mild implantation cramping or spotting. This subtle sensation, often light and fluttery, may accompany a small amount of spotting, which is typically light pink or brown. Next, you might experience breast tenderness. Your breasts may feel heavy and sore as progesterone levels rise, preparing for potential pregnancy. You may also feel an unusual degree of fatigue. Rising progesterone can leave you feeling drained, even after a night of good sleep. Another potential symptom is a heightened sense of smell. Some scents might become overwhelmingly strong, a possible indication of the HCG hormone surge linked to implantation. Changes in vaginal discharge are also common. You may notice thicker, creamier discharge as cervical mucus changes in preparation for a possible pregnancy. Lastly, mild headaches may occur due to hormonal fluctuations. It's essential to remember that these symptoms can also happen in any menstrual cycle and do not guarantee pregnancy. Let's look more closely at implantation and the hormone HCG. Implantation is a process where the blastocyst attaches to the uterine lining. This crucial step begins around 6-TPO and can take several days. If implantation is successful, HCG production starts, which is what pregnancy tests detect. However, testing too soon at 6-TPO is not advisable. HCG levels are typically too low for detection. The best time to test is around 10-12-DPO or after a missed period for accurate results. During this waiting period, it's essential to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Stay hydrated, eat balanced meals, engage in gentle exercise, and manage stress. If you experience severe abdominal pain, heavy bleeding, or any other concerning symptoms, don't hesitate to contact your doctor. In conclusion, the 6-TPO mark is a crucial time filled with possibilities. While many sensations you may experience stem from hormonal changes, staying informed and patient is key. Remember, a lack of symptoms at this point doesn't rule out pregnancy. Nurturing your mind and body throughout this wait can be empowering. Stay hopeful and trust that your journey to understanding your own body is valuable, regardless of the outcome. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel.